Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through Kajabi's pricing options and help you figure out which plan works best for your online business. A lot of people wonder how to choose between Kajabi's plans and whether it's worth the price. Kajabi is known as a premium platform, especially when compared to using several cheaper software tools together. However, Kajabi has been listening to user feedback. They've expanded their plan options and even adjusted one of them recently to better suit people at different stages of their online journeys. But before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get the Kajabi Jumpstart course. In this course, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You also get my premium Notion templates for free. They're worth over $900, but you'll get them at no cost. The best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. Now, let's dive in. Before getting into the plan details, let's talk about something many new business owners think about: paying monthly or annually. Kajabi, like most software, has a toggle on its pricing page to show you both options. If you choose the annual plan, you'll usually get a 20% discount, but you'll need to pay for the whole year up front. Some people go for the savings, while others prefer to keep things flexible by paying monthly. For most beginners, monthly billing makes more sense. It's a smaller commitment and lets you try things out without spending too much at once. But if you have a good budget or some investment for your business, the annual plan can save you quite a bit over time. What's great about Kajabi is how they keep adding new features and testing new plans to suit more users. In the past, some people felt the jump between free trials and the monthly fees was too big. To fix this, Kajabi introduced a plan that makes it easier for more people to get started. Now, let's go over these plans in detail, starting with the newest one. We'll also talk about who each plan is best for, so it's easier to decide which one works for you. The first plan to talk about is the Kickstarter plan. It costs $89 per month if you choose monthly billing. This is Kajabi's newest pricing option. It used to be tested at a lower price, but it came with fewer features. Now, it's priced at $89 and has more helpful tools than when it was offered at $69. It's made for people who are just getting started and need an easy, user-friendly platform. You don't have to piece together a bunch of different software to get things done. Even though the Kickstarter plan is the most affordable option, it still gives you one website. This means you can connect a custom domain like mybrilliantwebsite.org directly to your Kajabi account. You can use that domain to build your online presence so visitors see your brand right away. One of the biggest updates to the Kickstarter plan is that it now includes one product plus a community. Before, the plan only allowed for one product, but now you also get a dedicated community space. This means you can create a digital course or coaching program and still have a separate space where your clients or students can connect and interact. Kajabi's focus on building community really stands out here. Many entrepreneurs find that having an active community boosts engagement and keeps clients coming back. It's important to know that the Kickstarter plan lets you have up to 250 contacts. In Kajabi's terms, contacts are people on your email list or anyone who has joined your system. If you think you'll have more than 250 subscribers or leads, this plan might not last you long. That being said, it's the only plan that limits your emails to 7,500 per month. For most people just getting started, this is usually plenty. On the bright side, you get unlimited landing pages, which is great because you don't want limits on how many opt-in or sales pages you can create. Additionally, there's a group onboarding call for new members. This lets you ask questions and make sure everything is set up properly. Kajabi now has an AI assistant built right into the platform. It helps you write sales copy, plan out courses, or come up with new content ideas. The Kickstarter plan even includes this AI feature so you can get quick suggestions for your writing without needing another tool. Plus, there's Creator Studio, which works with Adobe to help you turn your videos into shorter clips for social media. This is really helpful if you're posting on different platforms and want to save some time. If you're building your first course or membership site and want to begin with a community, the Kickstarter plan works well for the basics. It's a good option to get started, and some people stay on this plan for a very long time. They only upgrade once their audience grows or they add more products to their business. However, there are a few limits to keep in mind. You can only have a certain number of contacts, one product with a community, and a cap on marketing emails. Still, if these limits work for you, it's an easy and affordable way to join the Kajabi platform. Moving up the ladder, the basic plan costs $149 per month if you choose monthly billing. With this plan, you still get one website, but now you can have up to 3 products. This means you can offer a signature course, set up a membership site, and even include a coaching package, all without needing to upgrade again. Since communities now count as a product in Kajabi's system, this plan gives you flexibility. You can keep your community active, add a standalone course, and still have room for one more product. That could be something like a specialized workshop or even a paid podcast. Another big leap here is that you can grow your contact list to 10,000 without hitting any limits. That's a big jump from 250 contacts you get with the Kickstarter plan. With more room for contacts, it's easier to grow your email marketing and sales without worrying about upgrading too quickly. Also, at this level, your marketing emails become unlimited. You can send as many promotional or newsletter emails as you need without stressing about monthly limits. It's perfect for scaling up without holding back. Just like the Kickstarter tier, the basic plan gives you unlimited landing pages, group onboarding calls, AI assistance, and the Creator Studio tool to repurpose content. But at this level, you also get third-party integrations. This is a big deal if you already use tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign and need them to work smoothly with Kajabi. And if you're using ClickFunnels or Zapier, these integrations let you set up more advanced workflows. This can really help simplify your processes and save you time. In my experience, I began with the entry-level plan, which was like Kickstarter, but then I moved to the basic plan because I needed more products and a bigger contact limit. It wasn't a big jump, and having that extra flexibility really helped me organize my offers better. If your subscriber list is growing fast, or you're getting excited about creating more digital products, the basic plan is a great option. You could stick with it for a good while and only upgrade when your business growth makes it absolutely necessary. The growth plan costs $199 a month if you pay monthly, and it's the most popular choice for entrepreneurs using Kajabi. It still includes just one website, but you can now create up to 15 products. That's a big step up if you're looking to offer more courses, coaching programs, or community spaces. If your content library is getting bigger and you're ready to launch multiple programs, those 15 product slots give you plenty of room to grow. The growth plan increases the contact limit from 10,000 to 25,000, which is a big jump for many mid-sized businesses. You still get unlimited marketing emails, landing pages, AI support, group onboarding calls, and access to the Creator Studio. This plan includes everything in the basic plan, plus some extra features that can take things to the next level. First, there's 24/7 chat support. While all plans offer some level of help, having support available anytime can be a lifesaver, especially if you're in a different time zone or tend to work late at night. Next, you get access to Kajabi's affiliate program feature. This lets you create your own affiliate dashboard in Kajabi. You can invite partners or students to promote your courses or memberships for a commission. It's a great way to grow your audience without doing all the marketing yourself. Additionally, the growth plan lets you set up a custom domain for your emails. This means your emails will come from your own branded address instead of a generic Kajabi one. It looks more professional and makes your brand stand out. You also get the option to remove Kajabi branding from your site. This way, your platform shows only your brand identity. You can even add multiple admin users, which is great if you have a small team or need to assign tasks to a virtual assistant or marketing manager. On top of that, webhooks become available. These are super useful for automating tasks when something happens in Kajabi, like getting a new sale or subscriber. If you love automation, webhooks makes it easier to connect Kajabi with other services. I personally use the growth plan, and it works great for my business. It's perfect if you've moved past the basic plan, but don't need the higher tier option yet. It gives you plenty of product space, a good contact limit, and useful features like affiliates and webhooks. For many content creators and coaches, this plan is more than enough. It covers everything most growing online businesses need and lets you keep things simple while still expanding. The Pro plan costs $399 per month and is perfect for those who need more advanced features. It's a step up from the growth plan, which works well for most small and medium businesses, but the Pro plan gives you more of everything. For example, instead of being limited to one website, you can have up to 3. This is great if you manage multiple brands or businesses. Maybe you run a fitness brand, a life coaching brand, and a digital marketing consultancy. With the Pro plan, you can keep each of them on their own domain while managing it all under one account. The Pro plan gives you space for 100 products. So if you're running a big digital marketplace or planning to offer a lot of mini courses, this plan is good for you. Plus, the contact limit jumps to 100,000, which is huge for most online businesses. You still get unlimited marketing emails and landing pages, which is great for reaching your audience. On top of that, you'll have access to the AI assistant, Creator Studio, third-party integrations, 24/7 support, an affiliate program, custom domain, custom branding, multiple admin users, and webhooks. It's everything you need to scale up smoothly. One great thing about the Pro tier is that it lets you edit custom code. If you or someone on on your team knows coding languages like HTML, CSS, or Liquid, which is Kajabi's special language, you could take your site to the next level. You can add advanced design features, create unique layouts, or add functions that Kajabi doesn't normally include. This is especially helpful for bigger businesses that need a standout look or extra features beyond the basic templates. However, keep in mind that custom code needs some upkeep. When Kajabi updates its platform, you might need to make small adjustments to your code. If you stick to the built-in templates, updates usually happen automatically and without issues. But with custom code, you may need to check and adjust things occasionally. In essence, the Pro plan works well for big businesses or entrepreneurs who need a lot of flexibility and features. It's a great fit if you're running multiple brands, have thousands of customers, or manage a large product list. However, most small businesses don't need to go for the Pro plan right away. It's better suited for those already managing high volumes or needing extra customization. It's available if you need it, but it's smarter to grow into it over time rather than paying for features you won't use right now. If you scroll down on Kajabi's pricing page, you'll find a comparison table that shows the features of each plan side by side. This makes it easy to see what's included in each option at a glance. There's also a short quiz that asks about your business needs, audience size, and the type of products you want to create. Based on your answers, Kajabi suggests the best plan for you. While the quiz is helpful, it's still a good idea to think about your specific needs. Pay attention to things like how many products you want to create, how many contacts you'll have, and whether you'll need certain integrations. Choose the plan that fits your current goals. If you're just starting out, you can begin with a smaller plan and upgrade as you grow. The upgrade process is simple. When you switch plans, you won't lose any of your content, and there's no downtime to worry about. It's designed to make scaling up as smooth as possible. Now you've got an idea of how Kajabi's pricing works and what the platform offers, it should be easier to figure out which plan fits you best. For some of you, the Kickstarter plan could be a good option. It's great if you only need one product plus a community and your audience is still small. For others, the basic or growth plans might make more sense. These work well if you have multiple products in mind or a bigger email list. And if you're someone with multiple brands and a lot of products, the Pro plan might be the right fit from the start. My suggestion is to think about what you need right now. Look at how much you're planning to grow and choose a plan that fits you for the next few months. Kajabi makes it easy to upgrade later if you need more space for contacts or extra products. It's a good idea to go with the plan that works best for your current needs, so you're not paying for features you won't use anytime soon. But rest assured, every plan on Kajabi is packed with the essentials. You'll get course hosting, email marketing, landing pages, and tools to build a community, no matter which plan you pick. These features are strong and reliable across all options. As promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day free trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion template for free. These templates are worth over $900. But you will get them all for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. With all of that said, I hope this breakdown of Kajabi's pricing helps you figure out which plan works best for you. Thanks so much for watching this video about Kajabi's pricing plans. I really appreciate you sticking with me until the end. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to share what I've learned and help you get started with setting up your online business using Kajabi. I can't wait to see you succeed. I'll see you in the next video.